Hello everyone, this is Pavitra GB presenting the topic Embedding of Rings, which belongs to the chapter Rings and Fields of the paper Real Analysis 2 and Algebra 3 for 5th semester BSc students. In this video, we are going to learn embedding of a ring into another, its definition, theorems and examples. These are some concepts you need to know to learn the embedding. Field of coefficients, homomorphism and isomorphism. Definition of embedding of ring into another. Let R and R dash be any two rings. R is said to be embedded in R dash if there exists an isomorphism F from R to R dash, then F is called the embedding. Theorem: every integral domain can be isomorphically embedded into its field of coefficients. Proof of theorem goes like this. Let D be an integral domain. Let field of coefficients, it is denoted by Q of D, which is the set of all elements A, B, which expressed in the form couple form, where A and B are elements of D and B should be non-zero. We know that Q of D, field of coefficients, is a field. Let us take the set S. It is of the form A, 1, where A belongs to D. Define a mapping phi from D to S by phi of A equals to A, 1. Similarly, phi of B equals to B, 1. Consider phi of A plus B, it's equal to A plus B, 1 by the definition of mapping phi of A is equal to A, 1. Likewise, phi of A plus B equals to A plus B, 1. We write this couple A plus B, 1 as A, 1 plus B, 1. It is substituted as phi of A plus phi of B. Therefore, phi of A plus B equals to phi of A plus phi of B for all elements A, B belongs to D. Consider phi of AB equals to AB, 1 by definition of mapping. Again, AB, 1 can be written as A, 1 into B, 1, which is substituted as phi of A into phi of B. Therefore, phi of AB equals to phi of A into phi of B for all AB belongs to D. These two conditions are of homomorphism. Let us check for it is 1-1 mapping. That is, we are taking two images are equal, phi of A is equal to phi of B, substituted as A, 1 equals to B, 1. If two couples are equal, then A equals to B. We have arrived the result as phi of A is equal to phi of B implies A equals to B. That is, phi is 1-to-1 mapping. The pre-image of A, 1 is A. By the definition of mapping, we can write the pre-image of A, 1 is A. That is, phi is onto. All four conditions of isomorphism satisfied. Therefore, phi is a isomorphic mapping between D to S, and hence every integral domain can be isomorphically embedded into its field of coefficients. Some examples of embedding are: set of integers can be embedded into the field of rationals. Every ring can be embedded into a ring with unity. Thank you.